For this project, I have used the Sparkle Flow Cleaner bottle. Okay, so for the start, we will peel off the stickers and then we will mark the desired design which we want on the final look. So I have used a marker to mark. Okay, I've used a soldering wire to do the cutting. You can also use a knife, a cutter. Don't throw the leftover piece as it can be useful to make future modifications. This pump which I've used is a 9-volt pump. It's a water pump. It is actually a handy thing, like it's small so we can fit it into small projects like this. Okay, now I punched a hole through which I will pass the wire, the pipe. This black plastic sheet was from a previous project from which and you made a Govardhan waterfall. Okay, so I will cut it out and just make it as the base like this. Okay, now I will just cut the length, the excess length. Stick it with the hot glue gun and just stick it out slimly. So this is the piece which I had used from the leftover piece which I had cut before. Okay, so this will work as a flap, or else the water which will come or the flow down will spill from the back. So that's the reason I use this flap, just to give it the water direction to fall forward. Okay, now we're just sealing the gaps. So for that I used a soldering gun to make a slot just to pass the wire through that. So I had to remove the black sheet again. I will just stick it out again, then the same way. I had to make another hole besides the previous one to make the water path more easy. Like so, because when I was because of the previous hole, the water used to touch the edge of the front of the flap which I had made. So it was all coming out. So I just wanted it to be a smooth one. Now I will be making uh the flap concealed. So there will be just a slot for the water to pass. Now if you can see the pipe, I will just seal it with the silicone gun. So from this path, as you can see on the right also, I will be making a small flap. I will be sticking it out. I will be using some thermocol pieces to give a shape and then mold it out by cutting the pieces of thermocol by my soldering gun. Okay, so I don't have thermocol heat cutters or anything, so I will be using my soldering gun for that as of now. Like this, you can see I've used the soldering gun to cut out to get a shape. This is actually fun. The way the structure comes out, it's actually feels good. I use precision knife to give the shape of steps in some place on some places, just to give the look of an ancient ruin. I filled inside the thermocols too, but just to give a thickness inside, because there was no floor or something. So then I have soldered it out, like, okay. So now I can give the shape to that. I could have used clay too, but this I thought it was much more fun and easy. So I have used some leftover ice cream sticks to make a house for this project. So I have cutted it out into small small strips actually. Okay, stick it with the glue gun. So this is the way it will look. Just stick it on the thermocols so that it will not move, or so that it will be much more durable. For the electric supply, I used an adapter which has an output of 9 volt and a small LED bulb of 2 volt. So to connect the bulb, I had to use a resistor. The resistor capacity will depend on how much current we are supplying through the circuit. So for more information, the details will be in the description. So while starting to paint, I used black as a base color and I filled it in all the holes of the thermocol, and then I gradually proceeded to the lighter gray shade. So I started with dark black and then from black to lighter gray. Okay, so for this I have used a Turkish, the bath towel which we normally have. So dipped it in the green color. Okay, and just soak it out full. Then just dry brush with lighter green pattern. So and then just cut it out. Cut the small threads which we have. So it, as you can see, I have used a much more lighter green. This is the final product which we can use it as grass. This is a coconut twine. I'll be using this to make the vines for the project. I've dipped it in the paper glue and then stabbed it with the grass we had made before, and this is how it looks. Give some more color to the shades. This is another vine which I have made. I mixed some sawdust with green color to make the leaves for a tree, a miniature tree which I'll be making with the help of aluminium wires. Dip it in the Fevicol and then just dip it into the sawdust which we had mixed with the green color, and then cut out the excess wires. While I was sticking the grass and the vines and the plants, I didn't had any plan on what and where I should be sticking it. So I just kept on sticking and fixing the vines and all in different places, and just it depends on the look how you want it. This is how it looks in the end, with all the trees, the grass, the vines, and all merged up, the light and the houses, the waterfall. Do like, comment, and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you.